first day off, I met up with Jaylene. We just went to a local mall. We did some shopping.
I don't know if you're gonna leave or not. Yeah. Remember I'm in my YouTube era?
Yeah.
That's never gonna end.
Your slime vlog era.
Do you have anything to say?
I want calico critters.
We just need.
The next day we went out to my aunt's house. It was so nice to see her. I never see her. We're always so busy. So I got to spend a lot of quality time with her and my cousins. So that was really nice.
Smells my awesome cousin and I love her. She's a little camera shy.
On our second day out there, we just got some groceries and some supplies so we could bake. Day we went into town and just got some food.
You're so adorable.
I didn't film anything over Christmas, but Christmas Eve I went to a Christmas party with my mom's side of the family, and then those next few days were with my mom, and they were just really nice and chill. so cold out. But we are walking the dog.
You shed a tear. Boy, you're my secrets if you don't have ears, baby. If you don't have ears, baby. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and we'll happily. Please don't cry no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman and me. Yeah. My snowman and me. But what a
Then when we got back, I had a work dinner the next night. On New Year's Eve, I went over to Grace's house. We had a game night, and it was nice to see her because she'd been on a trip, so it was just great to be able to catch up.
Don't cry, snowman, don't you fear the sun. Who carry me without legs to run, honey? Without legs to run, honey. Don't cry, snowman, don't you shed a tear. Boy, you're my secrets if you don't have ears, baby. If you don't have ears, baby. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and we'll happily. Please don't cry no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman and me. Yeah. My snowman and me. Don't cry, snowman, don't leave me this way. A bottle of water can't hold me close, baby. Can't hold me close, baby. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and we'll happily. Please don't cry no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman and me.
Yeah.
My snowman and me. Baby. Don't cry, snowman, don't you fear the sun. Who carry me without legs to run, honey? Without legs to run, honey. Don't cry, snowman, don't you shed a tear. Boy, you're my secrets if you don't have ears, baby. If you don't have ears, baby. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and we'll happily. Please don't cry no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman and me. Yeah. My snowman and me. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole.
I
own everything.
150. I have
Please.
5s, I have 2 1s.
I want you to know